Hi, Janelle Schaefer here with Sheep Hill Herbs. I'm a community herbalist and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here today. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a very simple massage oil with lavender petals and olive oil. And this is something that is very relaxing, soothing, and smells wonderful. So we'll get started with that in just a minute. And hang tight as I go over a few other important details before the video. Thanks. To the channel, I'm going to ask you to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification button, and also the like button over here. All of these things will help let this channel grow. When you interact with the channel, it helps it grow. And also leave a comment down below. Have you made lavender massage oil? All right, so we're going to go right into the video. I don't want to take any more time with that. If you do hang on though till the very end, I should have said this, I do have a free ebook that I will talk a little bit more about that you can get for free. And okay, in my jar I have filled this about halfway with lavender petals. Now lavender is an herb that I would recommend you buy a pound at a time. Some of the herbs that are more medicinal, this I would say is a everyday kind of tonic herb, I buy a pound amount, or I grow it and dry as much as possible. So if you have access to lavender at a community farm or you're growing lavender, take the time to cut it and dry it. It's even more wonderful when you have it fresh for yourself. So if I was going to make the lavender oil, I would put the herb into the jar first and go about halfway. And then pour my olive oil, and I use olive oil because olive oil is the oil of the Bible, oil of God. It is a wonderful nutritive oil, first press, cold first press oil only. And the oil would cover and go all the way almost to the top. I put a lid on and let this sit on my windowsill for 2 weeks to 4 weeks. I usually do over 4 weeks. The longer, the more fragrant it is. And when you do this, you want to label and put the herb, the oil, the date that you have put this all together and set that on your windowsill. So in this beautiful golden jar, this is my lavender oil that was sitting for, I think it sat for 2 months, to be honest. And it is very fragrant. I just strained off the petals this morning, but I want to make this stronger. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to make it a stronger massage oil, or even a body oil, or you can turn it into a salve, which is even better. So I have my oil, and this is 1 time strain. So I'm going to add petals a second time and make it a stronger, fragrant oil. So I'm just going to pour the petals in. And then I'm going to just stir. So I added all of the petals that I had in this jar to my already infused olive oil. And I want to make it more fragrant. I want the lavender scent to be stronger. Now you could cheat and use lavender essential oil, but I really don't like to do that. I like to just have my infused oil, my fragrant oil from the flower, the petal, or the leaf versus adding the essential oil. So that's mixed well. I am going to put the lid on and then label it again with today's date, the second infusion, I'm going to call it second infusion, lavender petals, olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to set this on a sunny windowsill for at least a month and then strain it again. And then at that point, I will have done it 2 times. And you could even do 3 times if you want even more fragrant lavender oil. So this is a very easy herbal thing. Anybody can do it. And it has so many benefits. Lavender is very relaxing. It can be massaged on the temples, on the forehead, on your neck. I mean, you can even massage this into your scalp. It's very soothing, very relaxing, and I like to use herbs that are popular and common, grow easily, are not under threat, and that everyone kind of knows about and can use. There are so many wonderful herbs that are safe and daily tonic kind of herbs that I like to talk about on this channel versus some more strange, less often applied herbs. Now, lavender, everybody. So you made it to the end of my video. Thank you. If you would like to receive my free ebook, go to the link. It's the first link down below, and it is on my website. You're going to sign up for my newsletter and put ebook in the subject heading. It is for my everything you need to know about making herbal tea ebook. And I'm going to give it to you free. Subscribe here. Head over to my contact page on my website. Put ebook in the subject heading, and boom, I will send it to you. So thank you so much, and come again.